Pooh Shiesty has broken his silence after being denied bond following the incident involving Gucci Mane, and the development has quickly captured public attention. The rapper appeared before a judge this Wednesday, hoping for temporary release while awaiting the continuation of his case. However, the ruling did not go in his favor. Instead of walking free, he was ordered to remain in custody, a decision that reportedly left him stunned and disheartened. According to a source close to the situation, he is feeling extremely low and had genuinely believed he would secure release. During the hearing, the judge emphasized a critical factor behind the decision. It was noted that Pooh Shiesty was already expected to remain at home under supervision when the alleged January incident occurred. Reinforcing the ruling, the judge stated, "I can't find any condition to offer anything that hasn't already been granted to you." With that, the request for bond was firmly denied. The case has ignited widespread discussion across social media. Fans and critics alike are debating what this could mean for his future. As the news spreads, clips of his past hits continue to circulate, fueling speculation about how long he may be away from the spotlight. Now the question remains, was justice served, or was the ruling too harsh? What do you think? Was the judge right to deny bond?